Okay, the first one is give la la la. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll be sharing with you what I got for the Christmas. I'm so excited to share with you what I got for Christmas, and also, it's been a while I haven't uploaded videos again. I'm so busy and tired, and first trimester for me, it's hard. That's all I can see. And yeah, okay, let's start with the first one. I have a Filipina friend here. She's here in Colorado too. Actually, she lives really close to me, like 2 blocks away, and she gave me a Christmas present, little cute card to Christine and Dan, and that super cute card, like this one, super cute card. And they wrote me a little message. Her name, by the way, her name is Rhea, and she got a little girl, super beautiful little girl. What her name? Scarlett. She gave me these little cute homemade cookies, wrinkles. Actually, I eat some of it already. This is what it look like, guys. Super yummy crinkles cookies. I love these cookies. She made it really good. It's delicious. So that's from Rhea. And second, we had a little secret Santas at work. And what I got for my secret Santas is 2 pair of socks. This is actually super soft socks. Inside, super thick, soft socks. And also this one is another socks, but it's kind of like sleeper socks that you just can wear it inside the house with little plastic grip on the bottom of sleeper socks. And she got me this chiller refrigerator for skincare. This is what's look like the box. Super nice mini refrigerator for my whatever I want to put in here, like my moisturizer or whatever kind of skincare I have, like especially face mask, something like that. Super nice. And this is what's look like the mini refrigerator. They have mirror on it. I love this one. Super cute with a mirror on the door. And then this is what's look like inside the mini refrigerator. Super cute. Actually, I haven't used it yet. Oops. But I still planning where should I put it to clean up some of the corner in the room, to put it on the top of the cabinet. But yes, I feel I'm running. And next we got chocolate. This kind of chocolate, really nice chocolate. Another chocolate, Russell. I haven't opened it yet. And also I got a whatever makeup organizer drawer, whatever you call that. Oops, the ribbon fell. And this is from my mother-in-law. She gave me this to me for Christmas. Oh, I forgot something. And also my secret Santas, I almost forgot this. They gave me a pair of sweat shirts and also a pair of leggings. They're both together. Super nice, soft, warm sweat shirts and leggings. Okay, what else? And then the last one is for Dan. He gave me this, a Fitbit Versa 3 smartwatch. I'm really excited. Actually, it's really nice to watch, especially when at work I'm not paying attention with my phone. If I have a phone call or message, I don't Sometimes my phone is quiet, I can't hear it if I have a phone call or messages. And oh, my shirt still have tags on it. And yeah, she gave me this Fitbit Burst 3 smartwatch, and I love it. Super nice watch. And then this is what's look like the packaging. They gave another extra strap, but this is like the size large. It doesn't fit for me. The large, it's a little bit bigger to my wrist, so my size of my waistband is what do you call it, small, because I just ordered on different colors of band, but I picked the wrong one. I picked the large one, so I just received it now, and I have to return it because it's too big for me, the large. So I ordered another small size. Hopefully I'm gonna receive it soon because I'm excited. They have different 12 colors that I can change my band. Yeah, it's super nice. I love this one of my favorite Christmas gift this year, because it's really important to me, especially when I'm at work. I actually see I have a phone call or message, because it's vibrate, and then if I have a phone call, it like ring. Yeah, it's really important to have this, and I love it. Super nice. I cannot wait the band that I just ordered with different colors, so that I can change it whatever color I want to put on my band. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're new here, my name is Christine, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. Again, thank you so much for watching everyone, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.